Cost of living has hit us all pretty hard over this last year or so. And despite what they tell us, I don't reckon it's gonna get that much better anytime soon. But of course, there are a couple of things you can do around your pool or spa to give it a bit of a spruce up that won't break the bank. And if you're pretty handy, you can have a go yourself. Pool barriers and gates around your pool or spa, as well as fencing in the surrounding garden area, can often be a bit of a source of contention. Whilst Australian standards provide guidelines to ensure compliance, each state and territory may operate under different versions, along with very specific planning requirements. Now, if you do a bit of thorough research and check all of those necessary regulations, there are certainly parts of the project you might be able to handle yourself and save a bit of coin. This is amazing. So this whole glass fence system is a DIY kit from Protector Al, and essentially it comes as a system that you just connect together, so you can do any length that you like. It comes with all the latches, all the hinges, and all the spigots. And Protector Al have designed this system so you can essentially do it yourself if you and a mate are pretty handy on the tools. It's quite easy to get up and cracking. The best thing of all, it's just available from Bunnings. I think if you're looking to update an older existing pool fence with some of this stunning glass, it would dramatically improve the entire area, giving it a fresh lease on life. And glass is certainly one of the best options to help visually increase the size of any outdoor space. Protector Al have really thought this through to make the whole system really easy to install. They've also got this handrail option as well, which is super handy. It will sit across the entire run at the top of your glass, and it will not only add a bit of stability, but it will also give you a lovely framed look if that's what you're after as well. And super easy to install. Comes in a heap of different colors and styles. There's also a little clamp here that will fit in a similar manner, and you can use this on the corners and also on the straight edges of your glass panels.
You set me on fire, striking a match on our lips, hot like June, cutting the wire, shutting the lights off in this.
I feel like I should be reading the news or something in this setup. These guys also do a really great range of different sizes, styles and colors for all those fixtures and fittings, or they call it the hardware. That's things like the spigots and the latches and the hinges. So you can really sit back and think about the design aesthetic that you want to create in your own backyard. I mean, that's the fun part, right? You may also want to think about mixing glass fencing with aluminium fencing as well, to not only tick the aesthetic boxes, but to tick that functionality box too. Protector Al also do a really awesome range of aluminium pool fencing as well. Again, super easy to do a DIY install, and the kit comes with everything you need. And best of all, again, this is all available at Bunnings. Now, I've seen people use these powder-coated Al fences for a whole different range of applications, really, ranging from creating dog runs on big properties through to creating safe areas for the kids to play outside in the sunshine, and of course, to keep your pool and spa area safe. They are super cool, and they tick a lot of Australian standards too. Remember, the regulations around pool barrier compliance vary from state to state, and however you end up finishing off your project, you're going to have to get it certified by the relevant authority or a certifier. But if you're handy with a mate, this is a job that you can get done super quick. So you can tick it off your list, you can get it done, and you can relax for the rest of summer knowing that that job is done. It is such a great system. You can see their entire range online if you head over to protectoraluminium.com.au. You see all the colors and things there. Or if you're like me and like to go and have a look in person and hold these very things in your hands, you can find them all at your local Bunnings.